Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are studying about the important days of April in this video. You get some questions on the important days in your examination for whatever exam you are preparing for. Static GK is something which is very important. So this is also a part of your static GK. Let's begin with the lesson. 1st of April, it is the day on which we celebrate the Odisha Day. Odisha became a separate province on 1st April 1936. That is why we celebrate Odisha Day on 1st of April. Secondly, the most famous April Fool's Day. It is also celebrated on 1st April. It started first in 1852. However, the what we call the origin of this day is not clear. It's very uncertain. Some of the historians, they feel like it is the day to mark when France shifted from the Julian calendar to the Gregorian calendar, the one which we follow nowadays. Others say that it is somehow related to the turn of seasons. So the origin or the reason for celebrating April Fool's Day is not clear yet. Next comes April 2nd, World Autism Awareness Day. April 4th, International Day for Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action. This day is observed to spread the awareness about the threat caused by landmines to the safety, health, and lives of the civilians population, and it also encourages the state government to develop mine clearing programs. 5th of April, it is the National Maritime Day. It was first started in 1919. This is a red letter day in the navigation history. What do you mean by a red letter day? Red letter day is an idiom. This means a historic day which is very important or which has high significance. So this is the day when a ship called SS Loyalty. Okay, SS Loyalty, the first ship of the Scindia Steam Navigation Company, it journeyed to the UK. All right. So this was a very important day, a very significant day in the history of navigation. That is why we celebrate National Maritime Day on 5th of April. World Health Day. It is celebrated on 7th of April. Health is wealth. We all know that. Health is wealth. So to promote health and various programs related to health, World Health Day is organized or is celebrated on 7th of April. WHO, that is a World Health Organization, it organizes various programs and arrangements for World Health Day. 8th April, it is the International Romani Day. This day is basically for the people of Roman. 10th of April, the ones who are studying homeopathy or are related to homeopathy anyhow, whether they are consuming homeopathic medicines or they are the doctors, homeopathic doctors, this is a very important day for them. The World Homeopathy Day, it is celebrated to give some significance or to remember the founder of homeopathic medicines, Dr. Christian Friedrich. So if you have some of your friends who are studying homeopathy or they are consuming homeopathic medicines, you can dedicate this day to them. This is a way to remember these days. Okay, as you remember the birthday, your birthday, your friend's birthday, same is the way to learn these days also. So if you have a friend who is either studying homeopathy or consuming homeopathic medicines, you can dedicate April 10th to them. Also, 10th of April is the siblings day. We cannot even imagine our life without our siblings, all right? So April 10th is the day which you can dedicate to your siblings as well. 11th April, it is the National Safe Motherhood Day. It is observed on 11th April every year. This day, it creates awareness about the maternity facilities, the lactating women, and It also creates awareness about the proper health care which is required by the women. This is also the National Pet Day. 12th of April. It is the World Aviation and Cosmonautic Day. 13th of April, we all know about this day, the Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. I'm sure you all must have heard the story about this day when General Dyer, he ordered or he fired on a large crowd of unarmed Indians in Amritsar, in Punjab of India. So, because several hundred people were killed and were wounded, this is the day of 13th April, the Amritsar Massacre, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre also. And this Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, it happened in the year 1919. 14th of April, the very profound, very known B.R. Ambedkar. His birthday is on 14th of April. B.R. Ambedkar, he was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly. 15th April, it's the World Day of Silence and also the World Day of Dialogue. 17th of April. This is the day on which we celebrate the World Hemophilia Day. It was firstly started by World Federation of Hemophilia, and this day is the birthday of the founder of this World Federation of Hemophilia named Frank Scanevel. So on his birthday, we observe the day of World Hemophilia Day on 17th of April. 18th April, it is the World Heritage Day. The human heritage, and we recognize the efforts of all the relevant organizations in this field. See, heritage is something which we really need to preserve. Our heritage, our culture. Then comes 21st of April. It's the World Creativity and Innovation Day. One of your friends who is quite creative and innovative, you can dedicate this day to him. This is also the day which is celebrated as the National Civil Services Day. So if you have some UPSC aspirants as your friends, you can dedicate this day to them and you will also remember it in this way. So why do we celebrate this National Civil Services Day? This day is celebrated to make the civil servants recommit themselves to their duty. On this day, various civil servants, they come together, they share their experience and also learn from each other's experience of how to administer, how to work in the public sector. So if you have any UPSC aspirants or a creative friend, you can dedicate this day to them. You can mention their names in the comment section below so that they also know why are you dedicating this day to them. Next is the World Earth Day. See, out of the 9 planets in the universe, only the planet Earth has life. So, to spread awareness about the need to preserve Earth, about the need to keep a check on our activities as human beings, we celebrate World Earth Day. As I just told you that it is the only planet which has life, so it is very necessary to maintain it. It is the natural asset given to us, so we have to maintain it. That is why, to create awareness about the importance of our Earth, we celebrate World Earth Day on 22nd of April. 28th April, it is the birthday of someone very famous in English language, William Shakespeare, of course. So because this day is the birthday of William Shakespeare, we celebrate World English Language Day. The language which is almost being used in the entire world, the language English. The day about English, the World English Language Day, it is celebrated on 23rd of April because this is the day of the birth of William Shakespeare. Also, World Book and Copyright Day is celebrated on this day. It is necessary to recognize the magical powers of books because they, kind of generate a link between the past and the present. So, to recognize this magical power of theirs, we celebrate World Book and Copyright Day. 24th of April, it's the birthday of the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. Also, National Panchayati Raj Day celebrated on 24th April, World Lab Animals Day. There was an amendment, the 73rd Amendment. This is the amendment after which we added Panchayati Raj into our constitution. It is mentioned in part 9th of the constitution, 11th of schedule. So 24th April, we celebrate 3 days, World Lab Animals Day, Sachin Tendulkar's birthday, and National Panchayati Raj Day. If you know some great fans of Sachin Tendulkar, you can dedicate this day to them. 25th of April. This is the day when we observe World Malaria Day. It was started in 2008. It is to raise awareness about the disease malaria and how to control it. And as we are trying to eradicate this disease completely, so this day also creates awareness on how to eradicate this disease completely from our world. Also, the day is celebrated as Italy Liberation Day. 26th April, the World Intellectual Property Rights Day. World Intellectual Property Rights Day, it was started in 2000. Intellectual property, they play an important role in encouraging innovation and creativity. 28th April, the World Day for Safety and Health at Work. We need to maintain and we need to look after the technology, the demographics, the climate change, so that we can keep a check on the health of our workers. April 29th, the World Dance Day. I know some of my friends who are very keen about dancing. If you also, then please dedicate this day to your friends who are very good at dancing or they love dancing. You can mention them in the comment section below. This day was first started in 1982. 30th of April, it's the International Jazz Day. So these are some important days of April. You can mention your friends as I've told you in the video. You can mention them in the comment section below also. And now that you have read about all the important days of April, I would like you to solve the match of the following question so that you can analyze yourself how much have you learned from the video. I've mentioned some 5 days here. Odisha Day, Austin Awareness Day, Health Day, B.R. Ambedkar Remembrance Day, and Heritage Day. I have also given you some options. You have to match these. You can either give your answers in the comment box or you can join our Telegram channel on which I post quizzes about the video and also some miscellaneous quizzes about static GK. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.